Hi guys, my name is why is this so funny? My name is Michaela Price and welcome to my channel. Today I have a treat for me, of course. My homie has sent me like $50 for my birthday and I got a wig. So this channel is going to be my Amazon review channel. If you want me to review anything, I promise everything and anything I buy off of Amazon I will put on this channel. And all the information to the products that I buy will be linked down in the description box below. Like, comment, subscribe to your girls if you like videos like so. You already know, let's go. So let's see her. I personally forgot where I got it from, but this is a synthetic wig. I love synthetic wigs. I like human hair, but human hair stinks to me. I don't like wearing it. Itches. Synthetic doesn't itch. I know that human hair lasts long and it's more expensive, so females will mostly go for that, but I go for what I go for. It is what it is. So I got this from Miss Diva on Amazon.com. I'll put it right here. And like I said before, everything will be linked down in the description box below. So this is how she looked coming in. I already opened her, but I didn't cut her up or anything like that. So that will be the review for today. So this is how she looks. I'll show you her. I already opened her, so I took the net off of her. But she is like a nice, like, I know she looks a little crazy right now, but I told you I already opened her. But it's like a nice two-tone, like, what is it? What is it? Like a brown and black. And I love this because it just complements me very well. A blonde and black. I love the lace on it, if you can see it. Let me see if I can like do this for you guys. If you can see it, this lace is amazing. Like this lace, like I haven't seen like a lace like this on like a human hair. Like to see lace like this on synthetic, it's beautiful. Like look at the blend. Like I didn't even put any makeup on this, but like the lace on here is HD. This wig was only $42 off of Amazon. Yes, I'm gonna comb her out just a little bit, just so she would look a little better than what she looks now. I'm gonna comb the ends first because I'm tangling her up, and then comb up from the ends, and it won't be as tangled. Right, don't panic if it's tangled, it's okay. I'm using a wide tooth comb, like I said, and with synthetic wigs, you don't want to sleep in a synthetic wig. Like, you don't want to sleep in a synthetic wig. You want to have a head for her, because synthetic wigs last a long time only if you take care of them. Like, you can't sleep in them. If you do, you need like a bonnet. Do not sleep in these, honey. They will last long if you like have a head for them and keep them combed and like this. They will last for a really long time. So my favorite part, let's try her on. I already have a cap with like a little bit of makeup on it. I'm not gonna do like a Gorilla Glue thing or anything. I'll do that in like in the next video, because I just wanted to try this on. You can kind of see like where the makeup is here. Ooh, and I'm gonna put a little bit more makeup on, just so it can match my skin, and then you won't be able to see this. So I'm using the Demi Plus Smooth by Fit Me by Maybelline. I love this. Oh, the girls. But I love this by Maybelline. It's only like $8. Like, I love it. It fits me very well. It fits my skin very well. I would get like the poreless one just because my skin is really oily. Not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna take this and dab it along the lines. If you want to just like put your wig on but you're lazy like me and you don't feel like doing the, you know, you just going out for a little bit, you don't feel like doing like the Gorilla Glue and whatnot, you can still do this. Oh, I'm just messing up my hair underneath here. I got like makeup all over my hair. Great. But you don't feel like doing all that, you can do this, or just throw a hat on, honey. Ain't nobody pressed. So now I'm just gonna show you how she looks on. Did I shave? Like a while ago. I was saying, did I just shave? I love this lace. Like, this lace is beautiful. Oh, I love it. A little cold, but I'm gonna pull the lace all the way to like the where the border is, but obviously you can see this is why you do the Gorilla Glue, because honey, nobody want to see that. But you can see how like beautiful this lace is. Like, this lace is beautiful. This lace is beautiful. It's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Honey, honey. So, like I said, I'm gonna pull it all the way down to whereas like it's at the edge, so it won't look horrible. But this lace is perfect. Oh my god, this wig was only $42. Like, it was only $42. I think I got like 8% off of it, which was like $3 or something like that. But it was free for me because excuse me. It was free for me because I got like a $50 gift card from like what is it? From a friend for my birthday. So how I'm gonna cut this lace, like the typical, I'm gonna cut in the middle, not too far up, but like right where the, you see like where the cap is at, and then I'm just gonna pull everything back and cut right along the ridge of it. So if you know how to put on lace fronts, and then you see how this goes back, I'm gonna cut as close to the hair as possible. So we coming up. But I love these wigs because, one, they're synthetic. I love synthetic wigs. I don't care what nobody says. I love synthetic wigs. I don't like human hair wigs because they stink. And I don't know where that hair is coming from. So I'm not really a big fan of human hair. I'll probably do some here and there, but more likely you'll see me do only synthetic wigs off of Amazon. Like, because synthetic wigs are like the low-key hype. Like, I don't know what, y'all don't even know what y'all missing. Like, you can save so much money. People be like, oh, we impressed about the bread, all that. But why not save money? Like, why not save money? Like, it's a thing. Ugh. She's gorgeous. Like, I still got a little bit of lace that I need to cut off right here. But she is gorgeous. No complex. Like, this wig is like a thing. Ugh. I love this wig already. Yes, I love her. I love her. I love this wig. I love her. Did I say that I love her? Alright, so let's do the other side. Whatever. So like I said, I was putting her along the cap, so it wouldn't seem like, you know, too much. But I love her. Of course, she's like a full. Oh, hold up. I'm like dropping my foundation and whatnot. Of course, she's a full lace in the front, so you can part her anywhere. So let's do that. I'm gonna wear her out today. So you see the parts. Nah, this is a flex. It's not on front. Like, this is a big flex. You see, like, I love the brown. She's really pretty. With syntheticas, they do get a little tangled. That's another reason why people don't like them, because when you're running around, syntheticas get tangled. Like, you gotta make sure, like, she ain't going crazy in the back or whatever. But I'll show you. Ouch. Ouch. My earring. I'm gonna take these earrings out for right now, because that hurt. But I'll show you the back really quickly, how she looks. Yes, honey. I love her. I don't like this shirt. Like, I'm not trying to, like, expose myself, y'all. It's just kind of doing that. I love her. Let me get some shots for the thumbnail. Actually really pretty. But like I said, I like synthetic wigs, but they do get tangled. Unlike like real hair. Here and there. So you can put heat to this wig. If they come with like a little bit of loose curls, it's like a loose curl wig. So I will be definitely getting more of these wigs. Girl, I'm gonna be running around with a whole bunch of syntheticas. But I was always like a synthetica girl. Like, I never saw it as like cheap, like, because they're like some really nice wigs. Like, this is a really nice wig. So a thing I would recommend to put on this to keep it in place is mousse. Mousse is, of course, you know, your superhero for these wigs. It's gonna be mousse. But as you can see, like, this is the tangle I was talking about. So they do tangle, but if you put some mousse on it, I know there's some other ways to keep your wigs from like tangling like this, but there's mousse and like hairspray. It'll keep it from like getting too tangled. But I'll show you the top of it. So that's how she looks. Uh-oh. And I didn't, of course, I didn't glue her down. I didn't glue her down, but she's pretty solid. Pretty solid without the glue down. I'm not doing my baby hairs, but you know, another video I will do like my baby hairs. But look at this. I love this lace. This lace is perfect. Let me see it, baby. Oh, but yes, here's her at the top. As you can see, I know it looks crazy, y'all. I know you're like, why you did this review and you got this looking crazy. I cut off more on this side than this side. I kind of like the uneven like hairlines because it looks more natural. But yeah, so let's see how we'll wear this. Oh, that's what out. I ain't spending no money today. I ain't spending no money. I ain't get paid. I will do some ties, but I ain't spending no money. So let's do some thumbnails. Okay, so those are our thumbnails. So my review on this wig, I love her. She is the bomb. I love her. I love her. I love her. I'm really not trying to show the girls, y'all. Like, I'm really not trying to. I'm not trying to. But I love her. She is dope. I don't even care if she only lasts for like 3 days, honey. I love you. You was worth the $40. Like, she was really worth the $40. Like I said, if you don't sleep in her, keep her comb from the bottom to the top, and keep her on like a little styrofoam head. You can keep this wig for a very long time, honey. A very long time. A very long time. Yeah, a very long time. So with me doing this little series that I'm doing, I'm about to buy another wig, to be honest. Like, at least 2 more. From the same person, from Miss Diva, one of the ones I got from, because they have like a bunch of wigs, a bunch of colors, a bunch of sizes on there. So definitely check out their shop. I'll link everything down in the description box below. I love her. She's beautiful. The lace is beautiful. Like, this is like the best lace I ever seen on a wig ever. Like, even like the real, like, better than real hair wigs that I have. This lace is like undetectable. Like, this lace is like undetectable. So like the only thing that's detectable on it is this my cap. My cap, you can see like my cap. My daughter's back. Let's rate her. I give her, to be honest, I'll give her a 9. She's not a 10. Why is she not a 10? She's gonna like tangle up. I already know. Let me not speak deaf on the situation, but she's gonna tangle up. As you can see now, like, it gets pretty rough wearing a synthetic wig, but synthetic wigs are so pretty. You know, if you don't sleep on them and keep them calm, synthetic wigs will be pretty. But I already know she's gonna tangle up. She's much longer than I thought she was. This is 22 inches. This is about 22 inches. So much longer than I thought she was. And say hi, Jade. But yes, guys, that is my video because I'm going on 20 minutes. Like, comment, subscribe to your girl if you like videos like this. I will be posting in the future. Hopefully I can post multiple times a week. But if not, But if not, my bad, you're gonna hear her show. But like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, guys, bye.